I don't know about you, but I think that looks pretty good. Hey, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. If you want a chance to win up to $1,000 gift card to use on my website, it goes for anything on the website, doesn't matter, then here's the deal. This is gonna be a striping contest, and you guys are the contestants. The pattern is super easy. You've got one stripe going this way. When you get to the end of the run, turn around. Your next pass is right beside it. You know, kind of standard stuff. Well, then jump back over on that first pass you just made. Go all the way down to your end of your run. And instead of coming down the one beside it, jump over one. And then come this way like this. Then when you get to the end of the run, you turn around and you go this way. So you have a light, dark, dark, light, dark, dark, light, dark, dark, light. And then you cross it up like a checkerboard and you do the exact same thing, but in the opposite direction, light, dark, dark, light. What that's gonna do is that's gonna create a checkerboard or crosshatch pattern where you've got these big boxes, little boxes, big boxes, little boxes, and they're all dark light, dark light, dark light, and then that produces the effect over the entire yard. I think it looks really cool. It's probably one of my favorite striping patterns that I do. Might even be my favorite that I do. Call it a GCI single double. Just makes sense. Here's the deal. There's going to be an email address in the description below. It is specific to this contest. So what that means is, please don't use that email for anything else. If you email us using this particular email and you want to know about what grass seed's the best, what fungicide to apply, what size spray buddy do I need, we're just not going to answer it. I apologize for that. We've got 2 other emails you can use for that, and we've got a phone that you can call if you need any customer service work. The email address in the description below is for this stripe contest only. I am going to include the Instagram folks in this contest. I need a minimum of 100 entries for this to happen. So if we get 100 entries, the prize will be $500. If we get 500 entries, I'll bump it up to $1,000. Well, Pete, 500 entries, that's kind of far-fetched. Well, actually it's not. Most of my yard videos where you see me doing stuff in the yard, they average around 10,000 views. So 10% of that will be 1,000. So 500 will be 5%. So just 5% of the folks watching. I'm sure at least 5% of you mow your grass on a weekly basis. So it's something you're already gonna do, and all you have to do extra is take your little iPhone or your little Droid out and take some pictures. If you have a drone, take drone shots, I don't care. I want 2 pictures and that's it. Don't send me 3 and don't send me 1. Send me 2 pictures. Pick the best angle with the sun at your back, and I need the picture in long form. That means turn your phone like this. Don't take the picture like that. Turn it sideways and take the picture. Let me show you the difference right here. When you have the phone upright like that and you take a picture, you see how I can't see a lot of the stripes right there? There's the picture I just took. But when I turn the phone sideways, and if you're on an iPhone, you can click on this little photo, you can hit 4.3 and turn it to a 16.9, and ooh, look how much bigger and wider that gets. Then you click the picture. Now, look at the difference right there. Look at how much striping action I can see. So the reason I tell you to do it that way is just so I can see more of the stripes. Now I've got 2 videos announcing this. I just did one in the bluegrass. You're probably getting ready to watch that, or you just watched that. Regardless, I'm gonna put the date the contest starts down here, and 30 days from that date is when you have to get me your pictures. So that means you have 30 days to get your yard prepped. That means you can probably mow it 3 or 4 times the exact same direction, really burn those stripes in really nice and hard. That way you'll get the best picture. It doesn't matter the mower you use, it doesn't matter the turf type you have, it doesn't matter where you live, I don't care about any of that. All I'm looking for is stripes on turf. Myself and myself alone will be the only judge. I will pick out the one that is the most striking, the most eye-popping, that catches my attention the most, and that'll be your winner. So hey, get your stripes right, and maybe you'll win that $1,000. As always, I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch. I'll check you later.